Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are here at Barangay Anislag, Kinapundan, Eastern Samar para i-surprise si Nanay Nilda sa kanyang 57th birthday today. So yun, maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Mernil and sa kanyang mga kapatid for choosing surprise and gift delivery, for being a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise today. So yun, ito po yung set of package na napili nila, at ang theme na napili nila ay kulay yellow and orange. So yun, meron tayong customized cake na orange and yellow theme, and of course ang ating money bouquet na worth 5,700 pesos, and yellow and orange din yung theme niya. At of course yung ating foods, meron tayong assorted kakanin, meron tayong cordon bleu, lumpia Shanghai, fried chicken, and of course ang ating bumpy. So yun, and of course ang ating letter of surprise para po sa ating celebrant. So yun, maraming salamat po again, ma'am, for choosing surprise and gift delivery, for being a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise. So yun, sa mga nais po magpa-surprise sa kanilang mga sa buhay dito sa Leyte and Samar, just contact surprises and gift delivery, at kami na po bahala mag-surprise sa mga naiwan nyo dito sa Leyte and Samar. So ayun, thank you so much again everyone, and abang-abangan nyo kami mamaya pagbalik namin, at doon naman tayo sa Carigara, Leyte. So ayun, thank you so much, and God bless everyone, keep safe, and peace out.